Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode. I am the Finance Intel, and on this channel I basically show you ways on how to make money online. And here in our channel we are actually growing very fast and big. So if this kind of thing resonates with you, you want to know how the numerous ways on how to make money online, well, this is a one-stop shop because I actually do my research before I put out any content here for you to consume. Now, let's get into the video. Now, this particular online site also, I'm going to be revealing a certain app. And the beautiful thing about this app is that this app offers a numerous ways by which you can actually make money online. Now, before we proceed deeper into the app, I want you to have it in your mind. This particular app is not an app that will get you rich, or it's not an app that would replace your 9 to 5 or your actual mainstream of income or your major side hustle income. But if you really want to be able to pay one or two extra bills, or just have the fun of being able to make extra money on the side at your leisure time while doing nothing, then this app is literally for you. And in all honesty, I have this app on my phone, and this is something I usually engage on while I'm at my leisure time. And of course, I've been gathering a lot of points that I am already waiting to cash out. Now, this particular app, just like I said, there are special offers and special other ways to earn. Now, the way this app was designed was that it was designed in a way that things that you would normally do online, like just basic things that you would normally do online, they have been compiled into this app such that while you are doing it, you're actually earning points from them. And at a certain level of points where you earn, you are going to be able to either withdraw by cashback, um, like shopping by cashback, or you withdraw by gift cards like Amazon gift cards and the likes, or you can even withdraw. If you have a PayPal account, you can withdraw directly to your PayPal. So now I'm just going to be showing you basically how it works. So first of all, what they have answer, that is, you can answer surveys, you can play games, you can shop, like do your online shopping. There are also usually offers on special offers, special discounts. So once in a while they post on offers where if you do some certain things, you can end up to a certain point and you can withdraw it. You can also refer and earn. So for every person you also share your referral link with, you also get to earn some money also. Now, the first one is answer, and this answer is practically about answering surveys. This is the survey part, and with the survey part, you can see 1 minute guaranteed is 2 SBs, which are the points you actually gather once you complete a certain task. And at the end of the day, you'll be able to convert this SBs into gift cards, cashbacks, and even PayPal, send it to your account via PayPal. So you want to answer surveys, and before you answer these surveys, you can see there are important things to know. So there are the do's and don'ts and things that you need to know. So one thing you need to do is ensure you are taking the surveys honestly, and of course you want to ensure you complete it diligently so that you can have the points due to you given to you, and also so that you can have more surveys coming to you. So now, if you are a lover of games, you love playing games, now this particular platform will actually afford you the opportunities to access exciting games while you make money from it. Now, you can see, for example, here we have all the games, or you can actually select by either choosing puzzle, role-playing, strategy, or casino. So let's just view all the games, and these are all the games here. You can see there's Monopoly, there's Clone, there's yada yada yada. So this is what you try, and you can see earn up to 3,135 SBs. And this, in fact, when you convert this to SBs, you have over $30. So first of all, the first thing you want to do is sign up, and once you sign up, you automatically get 5 SBs, which will help give you a boost. Another opportunity that they have is the shopping. You want to click the shop, and they have like a shop inside the website, and you can see here there are popular stores where usually you may usually like to do your shopping. Or when you do your shopping via this particular app, you can see this offers $20 cash back. You can also go ahead to add a store to your favorite stores. Another thing about this particular app is, being that you are shopping via this app, you can actually earn coupons, And if you don't know what coupons are, so if you are doing an online shopping, when you get a coupon, it's more like a special discount where you are going to get a particular thing at a very discounted price or even possibly free. Now, one of the things that this particular app offers is they offer like an extension to your browser, which is called Swag Button. And when you put the Swag Button to your browser, the Swag Button will be able to let you know, or it will give you a notification whenever you are on a site that has sales, coupons, and cashback offers. So if you're on any site that offers some certain coupons to customers out there and you are on the site, and if you are not paying attention, actually what the Swag Button will do is it will get you notified. And this is actually good because it will help you save a lot of money, and it will also help you earn while you are doing your favorite shopping. So you want to add the Swag Button, and while you are even adding it, you get to get another point. So into the reward system. For the reward system, you can see, just like I said, you get reward by converting to gift cards. You can see Zalando, Amazon gift card, ATM, and you have Pioneer, and you have PayPal and the likes. So these are the rewards here. And for the Zalando, you can see that get a Zalando gift card once you have 1,000 SBs to 2,000 SBs, which is $10 to $20. And Amazon, you can withdraw with Amazon gift card once you have 500 SBs to 50,000 SBs. And you can see the likes. It is the same for the others. I can also withdraw to PayPal if you wish to do that. So even just playing a single game, you can see how high the SBs are. Playing a single game can help you even earn those SBs, and you'll be able to convert it to cash. And this is not one of those apps where you're going to build up SBs for no reason and you will get paid. You actually get paid. However, one thing to note is that it may take a little bit of time to build up your SBs. But however, this is why it is more like an app that should be done at your leisure time, and not something that you should convert into a mainstream of income or something you should use to replace your 9 to 5 or your major side hustle. Now, another thing you want to do is go to the Swagbucks do's and don'ts of Swagbucks, because they also have their policies, they also have their do's and don'ts, so you don't act up in a certain way where they may have to kick you out of their system, because of course they are really against fraudulent practices. So you have to read their do's and don'ts as regards their surveys, as regards their searching, that's the shopping, as regards even referrals also. So you have to read all of that and also abide by all these rules. So now you can also go to your accounts, click on referrals. Here you can see all the referrals that you have, and you can see get 10% of your referrals earnings for life. So it is also another way where you can boost your points faster. So for every person you refer, you get a 10% of how much they are earning for life. So you can get your referral code here, and you can start referring also to earn. And honestly, this is a really beautiful way because the app is so broad and it offers so much opportunities to earn points and eventually convert into cash or gift cards or cashbacks. And it is something that it is fun to do it. And the name of this particular site is called Swagbucks. So you can easily access it by going to swagbucks.com. You can see it here, there's swagbucks.com. You can download it on Google Play Store, which is pretty available. You can also check if it's on Apple App Store. I'm not so certain, but you can check. And also, if this is something that resonates with you, in all honesty, it doesn't hurt to put in your leisure time into something that will also make you money, given that it's something you usually do. At least a large majority of people play games. So if this is something that actually resonates with you, then by all means, go ahead and check it out. I'll also be leaving the link in the description below, so you can go ahead and, do your own research. If it's something that resonates with you, then go ahead, check it out and start earning. And if you found this video helpful, then go ahead and give it a like, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, and make sure to hit the notification bell icon so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be able to get notified, and of course go ahead and view it. And of course, in our very last video, I did a particular video on how to make dollars online. So this one, the one I just shared with you on Swagbucks, it's more like a leisure time thing. Or if you are looking for how to make money, major money online, build a side hustle income where you can be busting in dollars, then go ahead to check out my last video. I'll also be leaving it. I'll be adding it just here, and I'll also be leaving it in the description below. So thank you for stopping by, and stay tuned for my next video. Like I said, I remain TFI, and I hope to show you ways on how you can make money online. Stay tuned. Bye.